Good day everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video I'm going to talk about how to stop VLC Player from auto-resizing to video resolution in Windows. Now to stop VLC Player on Windows from auto-resizing, you will have to open VLC Player on your computer. Once you have the VLC Player on your computer, you will have to click on Tools and then click on Preferences. Under Preferences, you will have to click on Interface. Under Interface, you will have to go ahead and uncheck the box which says Resize Interface to Video Size. Click on Save, close VLC Media Player, reopen VLC Media Player, and that should fix the problem. Now, in spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.